Hi guys, it's Shriya and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ how I'm going to organize my perfume collection. Now my perfume collection is kept right here. I don't know कितना frame में आएगा, but this is almost all the perfumes that I have along with some high-end perfumes right there. And the intention is to arrange most of it here. High-end I may keep it as it is, but at least whatever I'm seeing in this trolley needs to be shifted in this. Now this particular unit is from IKEA and let me share. And this one is called as RUDSTA. Like this is the one that I'm using for my organization. And this is a very gorgeous cupboard which fits perfectly in the space that I had. And I just thought that, the display of my perfumes is going to look very good in this space. So that's what we are doing today. Like I'm going to organize my perfume collection with you guys, and this will be the last video on my channel for the year 2024. So I hope that you enjoy watching this video. This way you will get to see my collection as well as how I organize it. So here it is. We have this is the glass door and this opens like this, and we have these 4 shelves available. तो अभी के लिए मैं सारे परफ्यूम्स ऐसे ही अंदर डालने वाली हूँ. एंड एट लेटर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई मे बाय सम ऑर्गेनाइजर्स जिसमें ऐसे स्टेयरकेस पैटर्न हो ताकि मेरे परफ्यूम का डिस्प्ले ज़्यादा अच्छा दिखे. दैट मे बी लाइक एन अपग्रेड फॉर दिस, बट इसमें ऑलरेडी मेरा काफ़ी खर्चा हो गया है. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू पुट एनी फर्दर एक्सपेंसेस ऑन दिस. तो आज के वीडियो में मैं यही ऑर्गेनाइज करने वाली हूँ. आई होप दैट यू एंजॉय वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन एंड फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. एंड नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. राइट, सो द प्लान ऑफ एक्शन इज कि ये जो सेकेंड लास्ट शेल्फ है इसके ऊपर मैं थोड़े से लंबे बॉटल्स पीछे रखूंगी और आगे की तरफ थोड़े से हाइट वाइज रखने को ट्राई करूंगी. एंड दैट्स व्हाट द एम इज. सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑफ विथ माई taller bottles that are available. So this one is a Chalice from Remy Marquis. Literally इतना सा बचा है, but मैं बूंद बचा रही हूँ इसका. And then we have Lomani Desire. The next perfume that I have is Chana Blue from Marks and Spencer's. Then this is Ajmal Diza. Again, very less of it is left, but I'm still going to use this one. Next one is Yardley London Autumn Bloom, a very gorgeous bubblegummy tuberosy amber perfume. Then I have Aquilina Pink Sugar. Then Tails Malaga from Skin Titan. 2 Nika More perfumes. One is Amor and the other one is, I think this is called as a Raisin de Terre. That's how I call it. The next one is, I think this is called as Love Potion or something from Police, and very beautiful tuberosy bubblegummy fragrance. Tommy Hilfiger Sunkissed. Oriflame Delicate Cherry Blossom would go here. My Nika perfumes. This one is Guess Woman. Then from Yardley, this one is Royal Diamond. Then I have Verified Evolution. This one is Remy by Remy Marquis, one of my favorite ones. I'm going to keep it here. Guess Seductive Red. Then keeping a Nika Talk All Night and a Stolen Glance here in front. So yeah, this completes this shelf. Gonna move to this shelf quickly. Putting all my Zara's here. So this one is Rose Gourmand. Next is Zara Red Temptation. Zara Golden Decade, one of my favorites. Marshmallow Addict. Sultry Pear. Peach Glow. And Cherry Smoothie. This one is Zara Women Gold. Zara Oriental, Zara Orchid, Zara Yellow Velvet, Zara Gardenia, Toilette Mauve, Zara Fruity, Zara Red Vanilla, Zara Black Amber, Zara Gourmand Addict, Zara Nui. Found this one. This is Ajmal Viola. I may keep it here. Some space here, so I'm just going to move the smaller ones ahead and adjust some of the taller bottles behind. Okay, I've made some space here for my Bisac perfumes. Going to keep Cocoa Vanilla. Then goes Very Vanilla. Then Chasing Stars. and slay on me. Yeah, I think this looks good. Gonna move here. Adding my 4 body sprays from Body Shop. I have Shriya, Strawberry, Moringa and Vanilla. These 2 are from Perfume Steel. One is Hypnotic Poison and one is Flora by Gucci. This one is from Armaf. This is Armaf Dovey Clubhouse for Women Gold. And this one is from Latafa. This is Khaltat Al Arabia, also called as Royal Blends. Adding Rhea Bavri. This one is from Akam and this one is called as Adele. Very beautiful peach-based perfume. One of my favorites. Gonna add it here. This is Armaf Club de Nuit. Adding Niche Tobacco Vanilla. Swiss Arabian Shagaf Oud. Sheikh Al Shuyuk from Latafa. Maisel Alhambra Woody Oud and Bright Peach. Badia Oud from Latafa and Titan Pristine. Ajmal Aristocrat. Florentina from Marks and Spencer's. OPP Magnet. Latafa Yara. Ajmal Sacrifice for Her. Escape from Calvin Klein. Ooh, missed this one from Zara. This is Rich Warm Addictive from Zara. Gonna keep it in the Zara pile. This is Plum Body Loving. Again, this can go in the Zara space because there's space here for thinner bottles. This one is Ajmal Desert Rose. Again, I can put this here. Then I have Nike Women, the purple one, and I have Lalit from All Good Sense. Love Child by Masaba and Tiguen Decaf. Then I have the Nani House. These are the OG perfumes. The next 2 releases from Masaba were these. This is Power Petal and this one is called as Mita. This is taking a lot of space. I'll just keep them like that. Armaf Tag Her Parfum. Paris Elysees Blue Spirit. What Come is from Paris Elysees. Oh my god, this is so white you can't see it. Ragba Woodedens from Latafa. Ijazi from Latafa. Niche Lux Hayat. ऊपर वाला shelf बहुत भर गया है, so I'm just going to adjust some of them in the lower shelves. Whistle Dahab from Ajmal. I'm going to adjust it somewhere down here. Bombay Dreams from Ajmal. Gonna adjust it in the Zara pile. This is Ajmal Shine. 4 perfumes from All Good Sense. Very less perfumes left, but I'm just going to keep these as well. This is CoverGirl. Next is Fashionista. Then I have Jasmine and I have Rose. Oh, so this is how the whole thing is looking. The last shelf down there, I have kept it as it is as of now. Because I want to keep some of the perfumes there which are not opened yet, which are with their boxes, and I'm yet to review them. I will just move them from the storage right there to this location. I'll do that later. But currently this is how the situation is looking. So I think these are very well organized. I need to get some organizers to make them look prettier, but I'm happy with how they are looking right now. I did not have any space for my high-end perfumes to be kept here. So they will continue to be there and some of them are here also. I'll just figure that out later. But this is how the current organization is looking and this is the overall picture. Please try to ignore any mess that you're seeing around here because look at the mess that I've made. Yeah. Just to consolidate this unit, it took me a very long time and this is like the complete picture of how things are looking. I will just take you closer to each of the drawers once again to just give you the last glimpse of it. So currently this is how the lowermost shelf is looking. Then this is how the second last shelf is looking. This one is the top shelf. The top shelf is a little messy. I need to get that cleared. Definitely need that staircase pattern, but I like the way they are looking right now. I'm just going to open the glass panel once so that you can again see it. This is the top one. This is the second one from the top. This is the third one. Last one is empty. So that pretty much concludes today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and there are still some perfumes which are kept in boxes which I have reviewed on my channel, but you did not see them here. Don't worry about that. I still have them on my I still have them. It's just at some other storage place, like mostly there. So I will eventually empty some of the bottles from here, and I will like keep juggling and replacing things. But this is how the current organization is looking. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. This was a different kind of video on my channel. And stay tuned for more perfume content, and let me know what do you think about the way it is organized. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next one. Bye.